Another ZipGrade guide, how to scan using code.
Sa ZipGrade dashboard, click Classes and then search for the specific class na gusto mong ma-download ang answer sheet and click the download button. Hanapin ang answer sheet na nagawa mo na for that specific class. Like for example, I've made MAPE 5 Quarter 2 exam. So click that one, 2 per page, para ma-download siya. Open the downloaded file and then check the details. May name na ng student. Kung okay na sa'yo yung details niyan, pwede mo na siyang i-print. Now, it's time to open the ZipGrade app in your cellphone. Click mo lang yung quizzes and then click new quiz. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng file name yung quiz mo. Like for example, MAPE 5 Quarter 2 exam. Huwag na huwag kalimutang i-click ang answer sheet. Search for the specific answer sheet dahil dyan ka magbe-base. Like for example, MAPE 5 Quarter 2 exam na may code na 2813. Make sure na match ang classes at answer sheet mo for that specific grade and subject. Now, click Edit key para ma-input mo na ang correct answers. For example, A, B, C, and D. Ready ka nang mag-scan ng paper. So, itry natin siyang i-scan using mali na code. So, nakikita niyo sa screen, ang pinili ko na paper is yung AP5 Quarter 2 exam na may ibang code. So, tingnan natin kung kaya niyang i-scan yan. So, eto yung lalabas. We're having troubles identifying the answer sheet being scanned. Kasi nga, ine-expect niya yung MAPE 5 na paper, hindi yung AP5. So, now let's try to scan using the correct paper, using the correct code. And, yan, successfully na-scan naman siya. Ganyan lang kadali kapag match ang scanner mo sa code ng papel na isa-scan mo. Thank you for watching!